everyone, Antoinette here, welcome. Today I'm sitting in my living room. I've cleared off all the surfaces here. Everything is ready for a good cleaning and to finally be decorated for fall. So I hope you join me as I take you along. This video is part of a hop that's coordinated by Nicole Northgarden. Nicole, thank you so much for all your hard work. I know these are not easy to put together. So the way this hop works is to simply go into my description box after you've finished watching this video, click the link of the next video in the hop. Continue to do that with everyone's video until you've watched them all. Included in this hop are some wonderful YouTube creators, so I'm certain you won't be disappointed. Everyone has their own unique style, and I personally can't wait to watch. Enjoy. I'm starting off here by Windexing my glass coffee tabletop. I do use Windex all the time. I know there are people who love spray away. I myself have not been able to find that, so if and when I do, I will certainly try it. But for me, Windex is just sort of my go-to and certainly has never disappointed. So I'm getting the glass top nice and shiny already. Then I'm going over to the other two cabinets or tables there. For these, I'm using Method All-Purpose Naturally Derived Surface Cleaner. I'm reading off of the bottle as I'm speaking here. This cleaner is wonderful. I love the scent. I love the cleaning power. It is wonderful for cutting through grease and any type of dirt. I'm certainly not getting paid to say that. I just really love this cleaner. Okay, let's start decorating this coffee table now that it's nice and clean. The first thing I have in place is this really beautiful burgundy table overlay. It is heavily beaded with some beautiful gold beads and some sort of rust color and green in there, really perfect for fall. So that is sort of the inspiration for what I'll be doing on this coffee table. And then what I'll be doing on the sofa, and you will see me vacuum up that sofa. And then I'll move over to the curtains as well. So here I have one of my newer pumpkins. It's this sort of iridescent white glass with strings of pearls on gold wire. And then we've placed that on this really beautiful candle holder or pillar holder here. And then in front of that and off to the side of it, this beautiful sort of creamy colored pumpkin with beautiful sparkle on it. It's sort of a very soft gold in our family initial. My burgundy sort of crushed velvet pumpkin there on top of another pillar holder. And then another white glass pumpkin with beautiful gold sparkles on it. Always adding a touch of glam to my decor. This beautiful little arrangement. I'm going to actually turn it around so that we see both pumpkins. And that's our coffee table for fall. And let's see what else I have in store. So here, this really beautiful raw silk burgundy pillow with these dots. Now I am noticing our zipper is on the side there. That's a no-no. So let's flip that over, have the zipper at the bottom, and that's more like it. Here's a little overview so far. Okay, time to vacuum the sofa. Now, this sofa is not really all that dusty or dirty. If it were in worse condition, I would take all the pillows and cushions off and really give it an excellent sort of deep cleaning. However, I do vacuum up this sofa on a fairly regular basis. So really what I'm doing here is vacuuming it up just to get some surface dust off and to give that microfiber fabric there more of a nicely finished look. This is the type of fabric that when you sit on it, when you touch on it, there's all different shades and whatnot that you see on the fabric. For a person who is OCD, that might drive them a little crazy. So I'm just ensuring that this is nicely vacuumed and has a pretty finish to it. So what I've done here is I've simply placed this beautiful fall wreath in these burnt red, or I guess you could call them burgundy leaves. Very nice and fall. What I did was I took these two garlands. I actually had these in my vase that you may have seen in my fireplace mantle video. I felt like these were being wasted, sort of stuffed inside a vase. So I took them out. I placed them over here. I think they look much more fabulous. And what I'll do is I'll go buy something else this week to put in that vase that's on the hearth of my fireplace. We're here now on the other side of my living room. I'm going to dress up this gold cabinet. To bring in the burgundy from the rest of the living room, I've placed this burgundy runner here. I hope it comes up burgundy to you. Then this white sort of prop here for our beautiful deep silver sparkly pumpkin. On either side of our centerpiece, I have a little collection of smaller white pumpkins. And I think that looks quite nice with the centerpiece. Now I could keep it as is, but I would like to add just that little bit more. So I'm going to bring in a little bit more of burgundy or maroon, and I will do that on some candle holders. Okay, here we go. Here are my burgundy pillar candles on top of these crystal candle holders with these coasters. They're actually coasters, and they have some sparkle around them and just perfect to finish off our look. Okay, on this table here, I'm keeping it extremely simple by placing this picture right here off to the side. And I'm not going to show you what I do here in this video, but I do have an upcoming video where I'll be styling another tiered tray for fall. And once that is decorated, I'll be placing it here. So I hope you will watch out for that video. So before I give you the reveal, I hope you did enjoy watching me clean and decorate. I would like to remind you kindly to hop over to the next video. As I mentioned earlier, it will be linked in my description box and in my comments. And a big thank you to Nicole Northgarden. Thank you again for putting this hop together. These things are never easy to organize. And thank you for thinking of me and asking me to join you. I'm really looking forward to watching the playlist. I hope all of you are as well. Thank you so much. If you're new to my channel and you did enjoy this video, kindly consider subscribing. I do a lot of decorating, especially for the seasons, also the holidays. You can expect the odd little DIY that I use in my decorating. I sometimes do shopping hauls, I do tablescapes, I do home tours, my absolute favorite, and I do host something called Antoinette's Vignettes every month. So if you think that sounds interesting to you, kindly consider subscribing. I would very much appreciate it. Now let's get to the reveal.